Yeah, with all the mishaps we had, it was a joint decision yesterday from looking at the weather forecast that we'd pull it and not do it. Just too many things went wrong. And like I say, the winds are picking up, but I'm going to basically come down from Praia del Rey, which is up near Peniche, down to Sintra to pick up Louis, and hopefully Antonio will be there, but he's gone back to Stubble. So we're going to do our best. We'll come down and we'll try and meet you in Tor de Belém. So I'm aiming to be there in about 1 o'clock. So it's not what we wanted to do, not Porto to Lisbon, but hopefully I'll see you in Lisbon. It's about raising awareness, which is certainly what we've done, and like things don't always go to plan. The bike is pretty much back to normal-ish. We'll see, and yeah, we'll go from there. So onwards and upwards. The cause is fantastic, so please support what everyone who contributes. Doesn't think, people think, oh, it's not a lot that we do, but it makes a hell of a difference. Small acts of kindness goes a long way. Ciao for now.